Firstly, I am impressed by the AI module that the system has. I mean, one can generate MCQs on the fly, summarize PDFs, and a bunch of other features that are very cool to use and makes life easier for our professors.
Everything just is loaded straight out as you walk into class. And especially in marketing, because we show a lot of ads and a lot of YouTube videos, it becomes very easier to access all of that.
But as part of internal assessments, so I can use the system to generate quizzes and automatically grade the quizzes as well.
Suddenly when you have to take a class and you're not prepared, so you can download the PPTs out of it.
The summarizing of PDF files is another very super useful tool for the students. So for example, if I upload my notes onto the system, and students can quickly generate a summary out of the notes, and then also chat along with the PDF file in a way they are chatting with a bot.
There is a feature called broadcast, so you can give the presentation without HDMI cable, just you need only internet. In this, you can operate from your phone from anywhere within the college range.
We don't have to use pen drives now. So that is cost saving too for a student and time saving for teacher too. It contains the very good feature, that is collaborative feature, in which two or more people can work together.
For organizational behavior, I can see live classes or any YouTube links directly instead of going to YouTube or going to any media channel. And it gets the content all at the same place. We can record the lessons here, and it can be shared with the student library as well. So that's definitely helpful.
It's a fantastic product.
The features are amazing. The concept is really amazing. It is actually going to take us as a faculty to a different level, and at the same time for students also, it's a new interactive way of learning. So I believe students must be enjoying it.